Hello everyone, you are watching Career and Fun channel. Today we will discuss about work and time related problems. First question. A and B can do a work in 30 and 45 days respectively. If they started working together, then that work will be finished in how many days? These are the options: 15 days, 75 days, 18 days and 20 days. Here, if you calculate one day work of A and B and if you add both, you will get one day work of both A and B. From that we can say how many days it will take to complete the total work. Here one day work of A is 1 by 30. One day work of B is 1 by 45. So one day work of both is 1 by 30 plus 1 by 45 is equal to, finally I am getting 1 by 18. So if they work together, for them it will take 1 by 18 part of work will be complete in one day. Second question. A, B and C can do a work in 20 days, 40 days and 60 days respectively. If they started working together, then that work will be finished in how many days? This is the question. These are the options. Here also I am calculating one day work of A, B and C separately, and I am adding all those three things. Here also I am assuming total work is equal to 1. So one day work of A is 1 by 20. One day work of B is 1 by 40. And one day work of C is 1 by 60. Here, to get one day work of all these three combination, I am adding all these three. Finally, I am getting 11 by 120. This 11 by 120 meaning is 11 by 120 part of work is completed by these three people in one day. If you invert this one, 120 by 11 days will take to complete total work by these three people. So that is the answer. But here 120 by 11 is not there. So we have to convert this 120 by 11 into fractions. If you convert that one into fractions, you will get answer A. We can use formula also. This is the formula: xyz by xy plus yz plus zx, where x, y and z are working days of A, B and C. Third question. A and B can do a piece of work in 72 days. B and C can do it in 120 days. A and C can do it in 90 days. In how many days all the three together can do the work? This is also like whatever question 2, same like that only it will be there. These are the options. What is the here difference between 2 and question 2 and question 3 is they individually given. Here in between A working together working days they gave. Here also I am calculating one day work of A and B, B and C and C and A. So one day work of A and B is 1 by 72, one day work of B and C is 1 by 120 and one day work of C and A is 1 by 90. And same thing whatever I followed in question 1 and question 2 I am following here also. One day work of all is 1 by 2 into and addition of all these three. Why I am adding 1 by 2 is here every person's work is repeated by 2 times. So I am doing half of that one. So finally I am getting 1 by 60. If you invert this one, we will get 60. So total working days needed to complete that work is 60 days. We can use formula also. This is the answer here. So 60 days is the answer. Answer is B. Here you can use formula this one: 2xyz by xy plus yz plus zx. Same, where x, y and z are working days of here combination A and B, B and C and C and A respectively. Fourth question. 50 persons can do a work in 12 days, working 6 hours per day. 60 persons can do the same work in 8 days, working x hours per day. The value of x is how much? These are the options. Here I am calculating total work done by these two groups. So total work done is equal to number of persons into number of days into number of hours per day. Then you will get total work done by these people, two groups. So total work done W1 is equal to 50 into 12 into 6. Total work done W2 is equal to 60 into 8 into X. This X value we have to find out. Here they mentioned that same work. So W1 is equal to W2. Here I am equalizing these two. Finally I am getting X is equal to 7 1 by 2. So option B is the answer. You can use this formula also directly. Same thing, M1 T1 D1 is equal to M2 T2 D2. M1 is total members, T is time, and D is number of days. Fifth question. A can complete 1 by 3rd part of work in 5 days. B can complete 2 by 5th part of work in 10 days. In how many days both A and B together can complete the work? These are the options. Here I am calculating 1 day work of A and B. If you see this one, they mention 1 by 3rd part of the work in 5 days. To complete full part, for him it will take 15 days if you multiply with 3. So X is equal to I am getting 15 days, and Y is equal to, here for B 2 by 5 part of work in 10 days. To complete full work, 10 into 5 by 2 is equal to 20 days it will take to complete that work. So here I am using formula xy by x plus y. So I am getting 75 by 8 days. Here not needed to invert that one because I am using formula. So answer is 9 3 by 8. This is the formula I used. Sixth question. A and B can do a work in 18 and 24 days respectively. They worked together for 8 days and then A left. The remaining work was finished by B in how many days? These are the options. 1 day work of A is equal to 1 by 18 and 1 day work of B is 124, 1 by 24. These are given in question only. Now I am calculating 1 day work of both A and B together. I am getting 7 by 72. These two guys work together for 8 days. So 8 days work is equal to 7 by 72 into 8. I am getting 7 by 9. So every time I am assuming work is equal to 1. 8 days work is 7 by 9. So remaining work what left is 1 minus 7 by 9. So left whatever work is there, 2 by 9 part of work is left. That work have to complete by B. So but here they gave data B can do one part of work in 24 days. To complete 2 by 9 part of work in how many days we have to calculate. So here 24 into 2 by 9 I did. So finally 5 1 by 3 days it will take to complete that work. How I did this one is, for B total work completion is taking 24 days. So to complete 2 by 9th part of work, for him it will take 2 by 9 days of total days. So 2 by 9 into 24 days. This is the final one. So option is B. Seventh question. 15 men, 18 women and 12 boys working together and earned 2070 rupees if the daily wages of man, woman and boy are in the ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 2. The daily wages of 1 man, 2 women and 3 boys are how much? Option A 135 rupees, option B 180 rupees, option C 240 rupees, option D 205 rupees. This is the explanation. So here how much daily wages they are earning is they are given in ratio. Let us consider as 4x, 3x and 2x. That ratio is given for each and every one person, but here 15 men are there, so 15 into 4x plus 18 women are there, 18 into 3x, plus 12 boys are there, 12 into 2x is equal to total earned 2070 rupees. By solving this equation, I am getting x is equal to 15. So if you substitute in these x and 4x, 3x and 2x, you will get daily wages of each man, woman, boy. So here I am getting 60, 45 and 30. But in question they asked that 1 man, 2 women and 3 boys. So for 1 man 60 only, for 2 women, actually for 1 woman we are getting 45. So for 2 women they asked, so 2 into 45 90 plus 3 boys. So 3 into 30 90. So total 240 rupees is the earning of daily wages of 1 man, 2 women and 3 boys. So answer is C. Eighth question. A takes twice as much time as B and thrice as much time as C to finish the piece of work. They together finish the work in 1 day. Then A can finish the work in how many days? Some work is there. They are given their capability in comparing with other person. These are the options. Let us consider time taken by A is x. Why I am taking A only x means I have to find out the x value directly because they are asking about A. So time taken by B is equal to x by 2. Time taken by C is equal to x by 3. Total work done by all of them in 1 day is 1. In that work only they gave that in 1 day it will complete. So I am adding all these 3. I am getting x is equal to 6 days. So answer C is the answer. For more interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.